Depends
such a
on
close
game you're
race.
in.
It's such a close race.
I don't have to watch me!
Alright,
It's our first video, and we've been friends since like what, like kindergarten?
kindergarten.
Yep.
And we're playing this game. We played it a whole bunch, but we
Yeah,
want to try the
fun.
new Nemo beta mode, Nemo kart.
Pretty fun.
Oh my, is that a monster truck in the back?
Yeah,
Wait,
but
are
I
they
saw that.
Legos? They look like Legos.
The go-kart looks like Legos. Yeah.
Alright, alright.
Right, let's get.
I'll beat you. Oh.
Yo, that's. He showed. I'm gonna rock a shopping cart.
Oh, you gotta pay for those.
Oh,
Aw.
what?
Nah,
Aw,
the
man.
ducky, or the dog, whatever it is.
Oh, yeah,
Alright,
the
oh,
dog.
okay.
Alright, I'll just get this one. Let me get Garfield. Let me get Garfield. I like Garfield.
My boy. Oh, yeah.
Bro,
yeah.
this is so goofy, bro. Garfield driving a go-kart.
You should see me. Oh.
Oh,
Oh,
whoa!
like Mario Kart.
It's actually real. Oh, so cute.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I got
This is
hit
like
with
literally
banana.
Mario Kart. This is literally just
For real.
Mario Kart.
But I got hit with banana.
Oh, I'm going crazy, man.
Oh, my
God.
wife's the grip, man.
Yeah. I'm going crazy, bro.
Let's play something.
Yeah, I'm for first.
Nice.
I'm going crazy.
I'm so
What the
close
hell
to
you
it. I'm in fourth.
That's not bad.
Yeah. How do you feel, though? I don't have it, though.
It's RT or RB or something. Pretty sure.
Oh, I got potion! Yo!
I don't know what that is. I only got coins and bananas or something.
I'm third.
I don't know.
I
can't go with
kitchen.
that.
Oh, Nemo Theater? Have you passed this already? The Nemo Theater?
I just got in it, or I'm already out of it.
Alright. I'm second place, Johnny. I'm behind you.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm behind you. Oh, yeah.
Wait. Oh.
Oh, never mind. I gotta shoot the beat. So good.
Crash me. No.
Oh, I got a rare potion. Oh my god.
So, I'm in third now.
I'm in third. Yo, I'm in third.
We still got a rocket launcher.
Dude, I
Oh, wait, that's sick. Oh, that's sick. No. No, that's sick, baby.
Oh, I got it.
I know. I'm always right there. I'm the honor.
Yo, this game is so much fun. No, I skipped on the banana. No, I skipped on the banana. Yo, I gotta catch up. I gotta get a boost for it. Let's go. I got a boost. Let's go. I don't want to turn. You're second. Okay, I'm second.
Oh, fire.
Oh, that would be that fast?
Yeah.
This is so fun. I'm sorry.
No.
I'm so sorry, Daddy. Third. Oh, there's still one more left. Dang it.
No, I got poison.
Someone trying to beat me. They're going to the green, bro. Oh my god. I need a lock screen. I actually got a lock screen. Alright, if I get a super boost, oh, yo, someone tried to hit me. I used to kill, bro.
Wow, man, it's literally
I got a coin. Yeah. You can hit me. If you have any- Yeah. Get a rocket launcher. Oh no, he used it. I think he missed me. I forgot. He missed. If I hadn't got hit, I'm still going. Oh, I'm in second now. Oh, yeah. I'm in third now. I'm not getting third. Okay.
I wish
Alright, I
you
got
could
third.
see, like, who's behind you and stuff like that. I'm
No!
sorry, I'm sorry.
It's all good. It's all good.
Oh, no, I'm not. I'm so sorry.
No!
Yes.
Dude, I slipped on my own banana.
This is so sick. GG. At least he got third. Dude slipped on his own banana.
Oh, yeah, you got third. Okay, look at it.
I'm first. My name is Andrew.
Andre. Oh.
But dude, I got.
And,
She's so cute, bro. I Tyson that. Ooh.
oh, it's fun.
I'm gonna finish game because I got 100 Nemo bucks. I wanna see what it is. Ooh,
Ooh, what's this?
stop. I was like, how much are the bucks? Oh, never mind. They're 120. I couldn't remember how much they were. Alright, ready? Let's go again.
Yo,
Oh, wait. This one? This one? Oh. I'm trying to change something. Ah! This game, I don't know. This game is really fun. We should put like
I
two
know.
more for the video. And then let's
Oh, yeah. I'm beginning this one. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm gonna be Mr. Ready Garfield. I'm gonna be Mr. Garfield. I can be Ted. I wanna be
Oh.
Ted.
Oh yeah. This is sick. I got a new cart, Jose.
Really?
Well, it's a different color of the normal cart. The original one? It's a different color.
Yeah. I'm reading the instructions. Maybe that's why I got a little soda.
Yeah.
Little break.
Oh! If you put, yeah, if you press T, you can see what's behind.
What?
Press T, you can
What?
You can look behind.
Are you drift?
Yeah.
What place are you first?
First.
Oh, I got the thing. Oh, I got a potion.
So the potions are like mushrooms from
Yeah.
But you can get 3 of them too. I got 3 last year. That's how I passed it.
Let me pick this one. This one's cool.
I'm already at the bridge.
Do it already? Barely did it.
Oh my god, my glider.
You can't sell this, man.
I don't know if I'm gonna do this.
Alright. Okay. Go.
Yeah, there's only like one person. Touches up to the I think it's you. Are you in second, I'm saying? That's you. I knew it.
You said some shit and I saw back to a wall. I know it's a wall, you know. I don't like that. Oh, if you want to throw it, you have to press RG. Oh, RG. Yeah. So attack plays ahead. If you want to like throw something. Use that. I haven't used that. Wait, what? What is it? You go faster, like 10 times faster. Oh, really? Yeah.
You probably crashed a whole bunch of walls, bro.
Yeah. You're still kicking in that league though.
I like how my dude is just holding an RPG. And he's just holding his hand while it's like, did you crash into the wall again? I saw that.
Go up a stairs, though. Oh, I got 3 of them. Oh my god, man. You want to use it too? Nah. Go ahead. Hey, whoever wants to play, yeah, whoever wants to play.
What's in first?
Oh, I was like this.
Oh, that's why. I'm skedaddling.
It depends on game race.
That's such a close race.
I don't have to watch it.
No. I knew I was gonna say that, bro.
Oh, yeah, that's Yo, we
We smoked everything.
I know.
Oh my god.
Yo.
Yeah. How long are you gonna take this away? Come on.
Yeah, were we the only
player? You might have been the only player. No, we weren't.
Bro, what the? These are real players too, aren't they?
I think so. I don't know. Alright, one more for the vid and then it's over. And then the video's over. My dino card, bro. Did you see it?
Yo, second game was kind of crazy, yo.
Yes, but do you see my dino card? It's like a green, it's like the normal go-kart, but it's green, and at the top,
I
at
think
the
I did see
side,
that.
where the wheels,
Yeah.
there's like the dino horns or whatever you call them.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna try to get the shopping cart. Do I have enough? Aww.
Alright, I'm gonna be Garfield.
Oh, I know what I'm about to be. Oh, I forgot I had, bro.
Yo, look at the chat.
He
Look
said
at
he
the
was
chat.
finna. He said he was finna get this easy dub. We gotta
Ooh.
try hard. His name is like Fine something. Fine 49.
I was 549.
Oh yeah, Fine 49. It's the goofy right there.
Alright.
Yeah, that's it.
100%. Alright. We got this in the back. I usually have a slow start and I just start with it. I remember. Yeah, okay, let's go. Ooh. Fuck you, they got boys for easy stuff.
No, no.
Oh, is that you?
What was that? No, that was not me. That's why I was saying no.
Oh, not him. Oh, I'm still at home.
I don't know. I'm kind of falling behind now.
It's just like the 549ers guy. I'm in the 399ers and he won't be there.
I might behind you.
Oh, really? Thank you.
Before.
This guy's barely doing it though. At least it's not, at least it's not 549ers. Oh, no, it's not. Yeah, I'm blowing up with the watch. Never mind, I got beef though.
I got something that you have not gotten. Like a shield. I get a scary thing. Oh, yeah, shield.
But I got a shield too. Oh, baby, what? You have to go to jail?
Yeah, I'm on now. Yeah, I mean. I said that he's like in a mole again. He's always trying to get like candy or
I
something.
know, the little thing I know. I have to play like cabin. Yeah,
I don't know, like cut the rope. It's called like cut the rope or something.
yeah, I used to play that all the time. I'm so glad we have like a good generation though.
Yep. I keep falling. This thing is so toxic. I just can't let go. I never thought you. Wait, he's not winning.
Good.
Then a 9. Because he's a goose. This is the black guy. He's not winning. What place are you in, right?
I'm in bed.
Oh yeah, he's in heavy. He's in third. Oh, I missed it.
I'm right. He's right in front of me, guys.
Really? I got the cat! Nice. At least that's... I don't feel it. I think it's clear on something. As long as he doesn't win.
He's coming behind you, too.
Oh, I crashed straight into a banana peel. No, I can't.
I'm in front. Yup, kitty cat.
Me and this Darth Vader got test the head. Yeah!
Oh my god.
Somebody smell like shit!
From banana. At least he didn't win. At least he didn't win. Yeah, crap.
Oh, you did it.
And he said he was like,
Oh, you got it.
yeah, eat my dust. He is better. Alright, that's the end of this video.